Hello, I'm Sabina CPA. I advocate less taxes and more profits. Today, I'd like to talk about debt forgiveness may qualify for a tax break. Having a debt forgiven is usually bad news when it comes to taxes. While you no longer have to worry about repaying the debt, the IRS consider the value of the forgiven debt as income, just like it was cash that somebody gives you. There are, however, several exceptions to the general rules of debt forgiveness being treated as income. There are gifts. If someone, perhaps a relative or friend, forgives a loan and treats the forgiveness as a gift, you don't owe any tax due to this generosity. Typically, the lender won't owe any gift tax either if the gift does not exceed the annual gift tax exclusion of $15,000 in 2020. Student loan. Student loans that are forgiven are taxable, but the income you would normally be required to report on your tax return may be avoided by those who provide services in their chosen field of work, such as a physician covered by a public loan forgiveness program. Also, due to a recent tax law change, student loan debt discharged due to a disability is no longer treated as taxable income. Bankruptcy discharge. A discharge of debt as part of a court-approved bankruptcy plan doesn't constitute income, with the amount of money discharged reported on Form 982. Insolvency. If you're insolvent, you don't have to be in bankruptcy proceedings. You may also get a tax-free pass on loan forgiveness. Insolvency simply means your liability exceeds your asset. In this case, the difference must exceed the discharged debt amount. For example, if your liability are $5,000 more than your asset and a $1,000 debt is discharged, you are in the clear. Lastly, is mortgages. You can exclude income from the discharge of debt on your principal residence through December 31st, 2020. Debt reduced through mortgage restructuring, as well as mortgage debt forgiven in connection with a foreclosure, qualify for this relief. Absent extension of the current law, mortgage forgiveness will revert to being taxable after December 31st, 2020. What do you need to do? Well, don't get a surprise tax bill. If you think you would have forgiven debt in the near future, please call to discuss whether your situation qualifies for one of these cancellation of debt exceptions. If you find this video useful, please click on like, subscribe, and forward to those who may also benefit from this tutorial. Please also head to basecpaplus.com to sign up for our email newsletter full of tips for less taxes and more profits. Until next time, God bless.